Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what happens when you actually block someone on TikTok. Let me show you what is going to happen with this account and what this account still will be able to see from your own content. Let's jump on the TikTok app. Let's say we want to block this account over here. Okay, if I click on the top right corner at the arrow, right, and go all the way to the bottom over here and click block, this is what is going to happen after you block them. After you block them, they will not be able to send you messages. They will not be able to see your posts, pictures, and videos. Or they're not going to be able to find your account, meaning this account, they're not going to be able to look for me, look at my pictures, send me messages, or comment on my post. The issue over here when you block them is that when I participate in a live stream that is hosted by somebody else, they can see me. For example, let's say Gary V is doing live stream. I join the live stream. They join the live stream as well. They're gonna see me that I'm part of the live stream. The issue is that they might actually click on my account and see that they're blocked. This is how they could find out that they have been blocked. Another issue I have with the policy of TikTok is that even though I block them, if somebody creates a duet from my video, okay, listen very carefully. I publish a video. Somebody creates a duet from my video and publishes the duet on their own page, and they see it, they can still see my account and my profile from the duet of the other person, and they can still click on the other person's duet because they're gonna have included me. They're gonna tag me, so they will see again that they're blocked from me. Also, the last issue over here that you should be aware before blocking anyone is that if you are part of the group, for example, drop shippers, right? There is a group on TikTok, drop shippers, everyone is talking, commenting, and if you're part of the group and if they're part of the group, even though you block them, they're gonna see you in the group. When you comment in the group, they're gonna see you. They can again click on your account and see that you block them. So this is what is going to happen when you actually block someone on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.